Welcome, we're delighted to have you with us. Today's tutorial will guide you on activating the online editing mode within your document workflow. To begin, head to the Document and Workflow Automation module and select Workflow Designer. From there, choose the workflow where you want to enable document online editing mode. Navigate to the settings named Mode for opening files online and select Online Edit from the value list. In addition, you may predefine the participants who will review and edit the document in the online mode. Here you have a great flexibility to predefine the participants as per your specific business requirements. Once the settings are configured, remember to click the Save button. Once you've activated all the necessary settings, let's now observe how online editing functions in action. Head to your main menu and click on Start Workflow. Choose the workflow where you've recently set up the online editing mode and kick off the document workflow. Once the document has been sent, both participants assigned can seamlessly review and edit the document concurrently in online mode. For your ease, we're demonstrating this by opening the same document in two browsers. As we showcase, you'll observe that when one user makes edits to the document, those changes are instantly visible to other users in real time. This dynamic interaction allows users to collaborate seamlessly, exchange messages, and witness each other's edits as they happen in online mode. This undoubtedly enhances operational efficiency and accelerates the review and approval processes. Once users have finished incorporating changes into the document, they can proceed to approve it, providing any necessary remarks or additional comments. One valuable feature of elDoc is that all edits are recorded in the document's revision history. If needed, it's always possible to revert to a previous version of the document or review the revision history for a complete record of changes. This ensures transparency and accountability in document management. Begin your elDoc trial today and discover a new level of performance in collaboration with your team.